this is me. I mean, this is me.
Yeah.
I'm doing all these things, and I don't know whether someone is observing or not, and I don't even care.
Yeah.
To me, remember when I got a 99 out of 100? I used to think that I don't know Kilimanjaro, but I feel I'm there.
Yeah, man.
Like, to me, it was like I can see every country when I'm at Kilimanjaro. Now it's America, pa. So the more my life was always defined by, can I be different? Can I get the results you are not getting?
Yeah.
Can I have ideas you are not having? So pursuing that in education defined all of that. Defined all of that. As long as I could look at you, Slee, I'm like, I'm not like you.
I'm yeah.
I'm doing what you're not doing. You see? So I fell in love. I felt like I am doing exactly what I thought I could do. But I thought this is what I should have been doing in my life. Because with aeronautical engineering, I thought in engineering, I was going to come with these amazing ideas.
Yeah.
When they call Nobel Prize, it's me.
Yeah.
You see? This is me.
Yeah.
But now it happened in a small scale.
Yes.
That's what got me the attention.
Ufuna ke ngoku esasithombe specifically awukandiphenduli unopanyaza into le wayekunika yona phaya kunento wayinikwa kwesasithombe ngopanyaza
kwakuyimali qha bena ngizana ukuxalela nosikebhayi endlini
sizawuya pha
ukuthi abantu basesondibanda azi mandlalaphi ngocimba ikhona pha endlini kwakuyimali. Okay. So then I get that exposure. Then people from the district says, "Sicela ungene lento ebizwa by i-National Teaching Awards." I just agree. But it is going to we have to get a committee.
Yeah.
They write a recommendation.
Okay, a recommendation.
And then give a proof. Give a proof of what you've been doing. Lucky enough, I had proof.
Yes.
Hey man, figure on these interviews, they timed me for 15 minutes, but they dropped the pens.
So
when I had to tell my foundation,
you just had a free time now. That
I started in prison to teach
off.
as my free time. I went to schools to teach them as my way to build this community around education.
Yeah.
And I got employed, and I changed this whole thing about education through teaching maths, science, and robotics.
Yeah.
I had to tell him my story as much as I know it.
Yeah.
And then the next thing, I qualified on the regionals. Then I had to go provincial. I got a call to say, I doubt unendanga kule nto uyenzayo.
Oh, wow.
Provincial level, I got a call afterward to say, you are through for national.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
So I went to provincial, national competitions. It was close to OR Tambo. Forgot the hotel. It should be there in my mind. Yeah. So we had to present what we do. So my challenge nationally was that they wanted to know this one fact.
Yes.
Am I teaching in software development now in schools?
Yeah.
And to find out only I'm diverse. I'm not teaching softwares. I'm teaching maths, robotics, and other things.
Yeah.
And the category I was in was specifically about teaching.
Oh.
Which is teaching this thing about information technology.
Yes.
Would it not been that, I could have been South Africa's #1 teacher when it comes to information technology.
Oh, wow.
That was my disadvantage. But the work and the evidence that I provided there, how I enhance technology in my maths, how I use technology and how I introduce coding and robotics, that was solid enough. That one got me Brentwood to follow me and they made me their brand ambassador.
Brentwood.
Le
Amazulu.
Yeah.
Le Big Zulu.
Yeah, if you check my Facebook page, I'm there. So they took me as the most influential young man in Africa.
Oh, wow.
All right. That was what happened. So Lega Panyaza was when I represented Panyaza himself as an MEC of education nationally, when it comes to the category I was in. So I was the best teacher in the province. And that on its own, that is what represented Swaneville and every other child of Kulele boys.
You know, abanye abantu mhlambe banganga understand ukuthi why I have this, and specifically for abantu bami baseSwaneville. I'm documenting. I want our kids and the next generation and the other to hear from the horse's mouth. Bangamane besiva kusithiwa. That's my whole purpose of this. And now we're still talking about ama-robotics. Kunale ibizwa nge-AI, isn't it?
Okay.
Versus robotics. Ntoni umehluko kwezo zinto ezo? And do you think the robotics life is going to replace us in future?
AI private school inkulu kakhulu.
Siyabusfelani Nkosi thina basemahashahasheni.
Right. You know, I spent a lot of time around 2019 prior to it closed down.
Yes.
Talking about this topic specifically.
Yeah.
Yeka lo mdala lo.
AI. Okay.
Robotics, it's a way to say, can we include programming in learning maths and science and technology? Ngoba usenokuthi emntaneni kawenze i-rocket, ibabe. Umntana simple angathatha ipompo, faka amanzi, vuthela ngempompo. That flies. So that is so manual. One of the things that our history was taken away from us, we had no way to get close to technology, right?
Yes.
Or any way to document it down. So with us, with coding and robotics, we would say there is a task that needs to be done. Luli task anyhow, but now we want a specific way it can be done. So kukhona uncoded coding enenzokuhlekisa. Uyazazi eza game asidlala ukuthi Tsamoreka omo.
Ingi.
Omo.
Ilmo. Tsamoreka omo.
Ingi.
Omo.
That's uncoded robotics. You are repeating what the program should have done.
Okay.
It's called uncoded.
Okay.
So this, you are programming yourself. Tsamo.
Yeah.
What is the next thing?
Reka. Omo.
It's in what? It's in education. If you are teaching grade R and grade 1, those games, they're called indigenous games that the teacher must have.
Yes.
So we call it uncoding. Sometimes, ukubone ku social media, kuthiwa left, right, what? Abantwana mamilai.
Yes.
And then go uphumile
Doile ewe.
Besidlala ngantoni thini? Sithi intoni? King intwele tsenya wafila. Ibiza ntoni wafila? Yazi masidlala mos inkethe nantoni.
Yes.
That is programming.
Okay.
So it's uncoded, meaning no one has wrote it to own it. So it's called uncoded.
So uncoded, it's something that is more controversial. Into masithi ayinamnikazi,
ayina origin.
Yes.
But what it does is it gets everyone to do the same thing.